Morning time, it can be tough to get out of bed. You hit snooze on the alarm, maybe you reach for a coffee first thing, but what if there's a better way to start your day, a way to feel energized, focused, and ready to tackle anything? We all know exercise is good for us, but did you know that just 5 minutes of exercise in the morning can make a big difference to your day? It's true. A short workout can boost your energy, improve your mood, and sharpen your mind. Forget the coffee, ditch the sluggishness. It's time to wake up your body and mind with a quick and easy morning workout. No equipment needed, just you and 5 minutes. You might be thinking, 5 minutes? That's not enough to make a difference. But trust me, it can. Even a short burst of exercise can have a powerful impact on your body and mind. When you exercise, your body releases endorphins. Endorphins are hormones that have mood-boosting and pain-relieving effects. They give you that feel-good factor, reducing stress and anxiety. Need to feel more awake? Exercise increases blood flow and oxygen to your brain, improving your alertness and cognitive function. And the benefits don't stop there. Regular morning exercise can lead to better sleep, improved cardiovascular health, and increased metabolism, which can help with weight management. Just 5 minutes can set you up for a healthier and happier day overall. Ready to get moving? This simple 5 exercise routine is designed to wake up your muscles, get your heart pumping, and leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer your day. Start with some light cardio, like jogging on the spot or jumping jacks to get your blood flowing. A classic for a reason. Stand with your feet together, arms at your sides. Jump while spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position. Keep it going. Bring those knees up high. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Run in place, bringing your knees up towards your chest with each step. Use your arms to power your movement. Time to work those arms and legs. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly outward, lower into a squat, keeping your back straight and core engaged. As you stand up, punch straight ahead with alternating arms. Engage that core. Start in a high plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keeping your core tight, tap your right hand to your left shoulder, then your left hand to your right shoulder. Keep alternating. Let's get those fists flying. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent. Throw punches in the air, alternating arms, and move around as if you're in a boxing ring. Catch your breath and stretch those muscles. Gently shake out your arms and legs and do some light stretching. Section 4, tips for staying motivated. Starting a new routine can be challenging, but staying consistent is key to reaping the benefits. Here are a few tips to help you stay motivated. Set a reminder. Set an alarm or reminder on your phone to dedicate 5 minutes each morning to your workout. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can make it more fun and keep you accountable. Put on some music. Create an energizing playlist that gets you pumped up to move. Don't be afraid to modify. If you're new to exercise or find any of the exercises too challenging, feel free to modify them. Listen to your body and do what feels right. Remember, consistency is key. Even if you don't feel like it some days, try to push through and do the workout. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel afterwards. Section 5, embrace the morning energy. Imagine this. You wake up feeling refreshed and energized. You conquer your morning workout, feeling proud of yourself for making time for your health. You're focused, alert, and ready to take on the day ahead. This can be your reality. By incorporating this quick and easy workout into your morning routine, you're not just improving your physical health, but also your mental clarity, emotional well-being, and overall productivity. It's an investment in yourself that pays off all day long. So ditch the snooze button, put on your workout gear, and embrace the power of a 5-minute morning workout. You've got this.